No, not towards that boat. This way over here. Whoa, shit!
Okay, go.
Yeah, not that hard. Take it slow. Go back there towards that green sign. Open it up to the right. To the right. Give some gas. Oh, there's somebody coming towards us. See them right out there straight ahead?
Yeah.
So go that way.
That's good.
That way.
I see.